Yes, we own an automotive body shop and have been in business for over 25 years. The name of our shop is Rodriguez Auto Service and Collision, but we do so much more. We fix wrecked vehicles after being in an accident. We work with all insurance companies. We walk customers through the whole experience to make sure they are not taken advantage of. We do all mechanical work, electrical work, automotive detailing. We have a 24-hour wrecker service. We do tent, audio, restorations, ceramic coatings. We do body work. We paint cars. Pretty much your one-stop shop for all your automotive needs, whatever they are. So we're trying to get all this across in this animated video showing that we will help you, no matter the situation, and make you feel comfortable and trustworthy of our service. And know and feel that we're taking good care of you.